brand continues its summer dominance with a new addition to its seasonal lineup, the Air Jordan 1 Low Ghost. Known for its laid-back, low-top silhouette perfect for warm weather, this latest iteration embraces a clean and minimal aesthetic. The shoe features a soft sail leather upper, giving it a neutral foundation. A vintage touch is added with a coconut milk-colored midsole, while pastel ghost blue accents the swoosh, heel, tongue branding, and outsole for a soft, stylish contrast. Ideal for summer wear, this colorway blends subtle tones with lifestyle appeal. While an official release date has yet to be announced, the Air Jordan 1 Low Ghost is expected to drop in the coming months, available exclusively in women's sizing via Nike.com. With its muted palette and versatile design, the sneaker perfectly fits into Jordan Brand's continued focus on wearable, everyday options for the season.